ULACH.
Oh my god.
Are you sure we can eat candy and all that stuff with braces on?
Yes, you can eat candy with braces on. Whoa, what are you doing with your tongue?
Oh yeah, you guys are doing it, so I thought you might want to record me too. I want chips now.
Good, John. You know I'm recording this, right?
What are you laughing at?
Because your face was so funny. You look like you were really concentrating.
How's that look?
I can see your head still.
How about now?
No. What are you doing? What's wrong with you?
I hurt my finger.